In this video you will learn English words and their meanings. 1. Abmodality. The differing of a measurable trait in an individual case from the mean for a population. 2. Differ. If people differ about something, they do not agree with each other about it. 3. Abominate. Example: since I abominate liver, I will starve to death before I eat it. My dogs abominate cold weather, so I have to force them outside when the temperature goes below 50 degrees. If you abominate something, you really hate it. 4. Abomination is used in the Bible, means that an action is wicked, vile, disgusting, and morally wrong. 5. Abortifacient. 1. Causing abortion. 2. A drug or device used to cause abortion. 6. Genome. A full set of chromosomes, all the inheritable traits of an organism. DNA. DNA is the molecule that is the hereditary material in all living cells. Genes are made of DNA, and so is the genome itself. A gene consists of enough DNA to code for one protein, and a genome is simply the sum total of an organism's DNA. 7. Transduction. Technically speaking, transduction is the process of converting one form of energy into another. For example, your ears receive energy sound waves and transduce or convert this energy into neural messages that make their way to your brain and are processed as sounds. 8. Abortive. Definition of abortive: unsuccessful, 1. Obsolete, prematurely born; 2. Fruitless, unsuccessful; 3. Imperfectly formed or developed; 4. Tending to cut short. 9. Recipient. A recipient is the person on the receiving end of something. 10. Fragment. A part broken off or detached, scattered fragments of the broken vase. An isolated, unfinished, or incomplete part. 11. Absorption, is a condition in which something takes in another substance. The process of absorption means that a substance captures and transforms energy.